so I'm doing 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication using the standard partial product strategy. All right, in the partial product strategy video for 3 by 2-digit, we talked about how we're doing 3 partial products here. The first one, we're going to do 337 times 2. Then we'll do 337 times 40. Okay, and then we're going to be doing 337 times 500. All right, so these are the 3 steps that we're going to go through when we do this problem. I set it up by lining up my digits in their correct place values. And I'm going to start with my first step, which is going to be 337 times 2. So I start, just like I do with addition, over to the right. I'm going to do 2 times 7 is 14. I carry in my 1, just like addition. Then I'm going to do 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. And then I do 2 times 3 is 6. So I did 2 times 7, then 2 times 3, then 2 times 3 again. I go right to left just like I do with addition. Okay, I'm using different colors for each step. The next step will be to do 337 times 40. I can also think about that just like 337 times 4 and then add my 0. Since I'm starting on the right, I can just put my 0 in right away. Okay, and that's what you need to do. Placeholder 0 goes in right away. Now I'm going to be doing 4 times 7, 4 times 3, and then 4 times 3 again, just like I did with the 2. So let's start. 4 times 7 is 28. I write my 8, I carry my 2. This 1 is left over from the last one, so I can cross it off or erase it and write the 2 instead. Now I have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Carry my 1. Now I have 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Okay, so this is my second partial product. So this is 337 times 2. This is 337 times 40. Okay, my last step is to do 337 times 500. When I multiply these two numbers, I could think about 337 times 5 and then add 2 zeros. So that's exactly what I'm going to do to start off with. Okay, so now I'm going to do 5 times 7, 5 times 3, and 5 times 3, following that same pattern that I did with my last 2 numbers. 5 times 7 is 35. I write my 5, I carry my 3. Same situation here. I'm just going to get rid of these numbers I had already carried and put my 3 there instead. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18. I write my 8, I carry my 1. Lucky thing, that's already a 1. I can just leave it there. And last, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Okay, now I have my 337 times 500, I have my 337 times 40, and I have my 337 times 2. So that's why this is called partial products, because I have part of each product right here. Now I can add these numbers together. Okay, I have 4, 15, I have 16 here because I grouped my 6 and 4 to be 10, and then my 5 and 1 to be 16. Okay, carry my 1. Then 4 plus 8 is 12. 8, 1, and there is my answer. Okay, so I said in the other video, if you like to use this area model, you might find this to be easier when you're dealing with 3 by 3 digit numbers because it eliminates a lot of your steps, okay? Here with the area model, you have to find 9 products and then you have to add 9 things all together. Here you only have to find 3 products and add them together, so you might find this easier. You might want to give this a try.